In this demonstration, we're going to configure a new Portal Projects directory and start DevTest server components on a Linux Red Hat machine. We're currently sitting in the bin directory under Lisa Home. The DevTest Portal server stores project information in a projects directory. Let's look at this default projects directory now. We have several projects listed, all of which were created during the install of Demo Server. The projects directory used by the DevTest Portal can be changed. To set the projects directory to something else, we have to go to the Lisa Home directory, create a reshubconfig.properties file, and put a property within that file pointing at the new directory. At this point, what we're going to do is create the reshubconfig.properties file. As you can see here, there's actually a reshubconfig properties template that's available for use. So what we're going to do is edit this file. And you can see that we've got the reshub projects dir property shown, and it's currently pointing at Lisa Home projects. What we want to do is change this to another value, and what we're going to do is we're going to point this at root documents, DevTest projects. Okay, so we've set that particular property, and let's uncomment it. And what we're going to do is save it as reshubconfig without the underscore. Okay, so we're going to save that. And what we should have now is a reshubconfig properties file, which we do. Now we can start the DevTest processes. Note that when starting DevTest the first time, you must start Enterprise Dashboard first on the master server, then Registry to get licensing information synced. After that, Registry can be started without Enterprise Dashboard. Remember that when doing a server install, all of the components with the exception of Enterprise Dashboard are installed. You control which components are started and in what order. So the order of startup will be Enterprise Dashboard, then Registry, then Broker, Portal, Coordinator Server, Simulator, and finally the Virtual Service Environment. So what we'll do now is run the Enterprise Dashboard in the bin directory, and we'll wait a moment for that to start up. Okay, so it's started up. Now what we're going to do is start the registry, and we'll wait a moment for that to start up. Okay, so registry has started up. Now what we're going to do is start up the broker. Okay, now we start up Portal. Now we start the coordinator server. Okay, the coordinator server is ready. Now we start a simulator. Okay, and finally we start the virtual service environment, or VSE. Okay, so the virtual service environment, or VSE, is started up. Let's take a look at that. If we do PSEF here. Okay, you can see we've got the Enterprise Dashboard running, Registry, Broker, Portal, Coordinator Server, Simulator, and the VSE. So it looks like everything has started successfully.